Hello friends, this is Gary, a Chinese import and export manager. Today we will make a quotation for the Coverall. This one. Coverall become a necessary product in 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic. We can provide the different level Coveralls like Type 6, Type 5, Type 4, or Type 3. The first one and the widely used that is these specifications. You can see these specifications as this one. But it is hard to describe the products with word. So we made the products videos and post in our channel. If you are interested, you can go to our channel to check the medical consumable products list. There you will see the 3 Coverall videos, detailed videos. Okay. Another information is like package, lead time and port and incoterms validity times. Also our free service, free inspection service, and our payment accept. Okay, all information is here. If you have planned to purchase these products or have new inquiries about these products, contact me. My all information you can find in this place. All information is also including my company website, email, WhatsApp, and my phone number, WeChat ID. That's all information is. Okay. Finally, if you like this video quotation way, please help me to click the like buttons and subscribe our channel. Do not miss any products price update. We update all products 1 month, 1 time. Okay, so see you next product videos. Next time I will quotation about the gloves.